Hi there, welcome back to another After Effects tutorial. In this guide, you'll learn how to create text animations using Source option in After Effects. The Source text option lets you create typewriter, color changing, color flickering, countdown, and text morph effect. I'll walk you through each one step by step. Let's start with the first effect, the Typewriter Effect. Begin by creating a new composition. Next, choose the text tool and type in your text. Once you have your text, open the text properties. Now, go to the Source Text option and click the stopwatch to create a keyframe.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms.
Move the playhead forward slightly and add your second letter.
Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever
Continue this process frame by frame, adding one letter at a time to create the typing animation. There you have it, a smooth typewriter effect.
Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and
Now, let's move on to our second effect, color changing text. First, type out your first letter. Next, go to the Source Text option and create a keyframe.
Play with me like cats and a string. Never really know just what you want.
Move the playhead a bit forward and add the second letter. Now, select your letter and change its color.
Play with me like cats and a string. Never really
Do the same for every letter as you go along.
With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms.
This creates a seamless color changing effect for your text.
Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats.
Third effect is the text morph effect. Type your first word, then move to the Source Text option and create a keyframe.
I can feel the sweat inside my palms.
As you move the playhead forward, change the word to something else.
You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me.
By copying and pasting the keyframes into different time intervals, you can create a smooth morphing effect.
And it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head.
Our fourth effect is countdown animation.
Keep me on red, oh.
Type the starting number for your countdown.
I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
Go to the Source Text, click the stopwatch, and add a keyframe. Move the playhead forward and change the number to the next in the sequence. Keep repeating until you reach 0. And that's it, a professional countdown animation. Now, let's move on to creating the color flickering effect in After Effects. To begin, type your text and apply your desired color. Once that's done, duplicate the text layer by pressing Ctrl+D to create a copy.
I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you, I knew this. When love me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you, I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you, I don't ever feel calm.
You can also create a color changing effect using this technique. To do this, start by selecting a letter, then change its color. Next, move the playhead to a specific point in time and change the color of the letter. Repeat this for different letters. Finally, to complete the effect, go to the end of the composition and select all the letters and change their color at once. And that's how you can create a smooth color changing effect in After Effects. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future After Effects tips. If you have any questions or ideas for upcoming videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.